This is Hans, and this is... And this is... It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And we've got a little something from...
Uncle Matt.
Yep, this is a box from Matt Bellah, the esteemed colleague and writer of the fine science fiction you can find on Amazon. There'll be a little bit of info on where to get it right here. He sent a box, and I already cracked it open, but let's look inside because there is wonderment in here. This is part of the amazingitude that he brings to the universe. What do you suppose this is? This is not a package of instant noodles. This is a loaf of bread.
Wow.
And yeah, so I'm gonna do an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time where I will crack this open and give it a try. So be on the lookout for that. And yeah, super cool. Thanks, man. He also included some bagged air, which I'm going to give to the children. Have at it. Jump. So now they're cracking that open wonderfully, happily, expeditiously. And yeah, cool. Jump! Alright, well this has been Hans, and this has been... And this has been... Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.